Jay Burr attending the special session today. It was held on the campus of UA Little Rock to accommodate the need for social distancing. He joins us now live from the campus with the latest. Jay?
Yeah, absolutely, Ashley. As you mentioned, the special session kicking off today, and with well over 100 members and staff as part of the House of Representatives, like you mentioned, they held today's proceedings here at the Jack Stevens Center on the campus of UA Little Rock. Plenty of room inside the Jack for business to be done, and with the House meeting there, only one thing on the agenda. Now, this is actually the second time since 1908 that the House has not met at the state capitol since moving from the old one. And as peculiar as it was to see members spaced out amongst the seats, Speaker Matthew Shepard took to the Department of Health guidelines like Governor Asa Hutchinson has asked all Arkansans to do.
I asked numerous times of our public health officials, is this overkill? Is this something that we should just stay in the House chamber for? And the response was repeatedly no. That if you can go to a larger location, a larger venue, that is what needs to occur.
Now to the matter at hand, House Bill 1001. It creates the COVID-19 fund and will shift over $173 million from the General Revenue Allotment Reserve. The governor does not have sole control over that, but the Speaker of the House, Senate Pro Temp, and majority and minority leaders of both chambers have to approve the disbursement of those funds. Also, anything left over after June 30th will be sent back into that allotment fund. Now, this will allow the governor to spend where he sees fit. There's also that legislative oversight, and the process created allows there to be a quick vote to allow the governor that ability.
And the legislation on your desk will allow the state to move quickly to respond to hospital needs, hospitals who need more ventilators, to nurses and first responders who need more protective masks, and to the needs of our dedicated state employees on the front line of this fight.
And I think you've all seen that in the world that we're in right now and the needs that we have at the state level, those needs are changing not day by day, but hour by hour and minute by minute. And so that's one of the reasons why this structure is proposed.
And also, after each expenditure is made, it must be reported back to the General Assembly, the remaining balance within that fund, the total amount released as of to date, and then the amount of all the previous releases and the purposes of each one of those releases. Live from the Jack Stevens Center, Jay Burr, KRK 4 News.